Want to take your dog's skills to the next level? Well, training your dog is more than just a fun pastime. It's an essential part of creating a well-behaved, happy, and secure canine companion. Training your dog brings several key benefits. First off, it strengthens the bond between you and your furry friend. It's a shared experience, a language that both of you understand and enjoy. It's a way of saying, "I care about you," without uttering a single word. Secondly, training provides mental stimulation for your dog. Just like us, dogs need to engage their minds. Learning new commands, tricks, or behaviors can be a fun and rewarding challenge for them. Lastly, training ensures your dog's safety. A well-trained dog is less likely to run into traffic, get lost, or get into fights with other dogs. Remember, training isn't just about teaching tricks. It's about creating a well-behaved, happy, and secure dog. Now, let's dive into how you can enhance your dog's skills. Step 1. Master the basic commands. Embarking on this journey requires teaching your dog the fundamentals, the ABCs of dog commands, if you will. These are sit, stay, come, and leave it. Now, imagine you're teaching a toddler a new word. You'd start by saying the word clearly, right? It's the same with dogs. For instance, to teach sit, hold a treat close to your dog's nose, and then move your hand up, allowing their head to follow the treat, causing their bottom to lower. Once they're sitting, say sit, give them the treat, and share affection. The key here is patience and consistency. Dogs might not understand your commands instantly. Just like us, they need time to learn and understand. Repeating these commands regularly helps them remember. And remember, it's not a race. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep training sessions short and fun. Ready for the next level? Let's look at advanced training techniques. First, we have clicker training. This is an effective method, especially for teaching complex behaviors. The clicker is a small device that makes a distinct noise. When your dog performs the right action, you click and reward them. This way, they associate the sound with doing something good and getting a treat. The beauty of clicker training is it helps your dog understand exactly what they did right. Then, there's agility training. This is not only a great way to challenge your dog, but also a fantastic opportunity to bond with them. You can set up various obstacles for your dog to navigate, promoting both their physical agility and mental sharpness. Remember, these techniques may require time and patience, but they surely pay off. With patience and consistency, your dog will soon be impressing everyone with their new skills. Did you enjoy our dog training tips? We hope our advanced techniques will help you and your furry friend to bond and learn together. But we don't want you to keep all this knowledge to yourself. If you found our tips helpful, don't forget to share this video with your fellow dog lovers. Together, we can help more dogs become their best selves. Did our tips make a difference? If so, show us some love by liking this video. Your feedback helps us know we're on the right track and motivates us to keep bringing you the best dog training advice. Want to stay updated with all our latest tips and tricks? Then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we've got new content ready for you. And remember, every like, share, and subscribe helps us bring you more content. We truly appreciate your support. Thank you.